QuizPlatter. A platter full of knowledge. Guess the Earth quiz. Which number planet is Earth from the Sun? Answer B, third. What is another name for Earth? Answer D, blue planet. How many moons does Earth have? Answer A, 1. Earth is made mostly of? Answer C, rock and metal. Earth's atmosphere contains mostly? Answer D, nitrogen. Earth rotates once in? Answer B, 24 hours. Earth revolves around the Sun in? Answer C, 365 days. What causes earthquakes and volcanoes? Answer A, tectonic plate movements. The largest ocean on Earth is? Answer B, Pacific. Earth's gravity is approximately? Answer D, 9.8 meters per second squared. Earth's surface is covered mostly by? Answer C, water. Earth's magnetic field protects from? Answer A, solar wind. What is the approximate age of the Earth? Answer C, 4.5 billion years. The tilt of Earth causes? Answer B, seasons. Earth was named after? Answer D, Old English word for ground. Quiz, platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.